The dinosaur or reptilian era. Sunday, May 24, 2026. The dinosaur or reptilian era is called the Mesozoic era. Lasted about 165 million years from 252 to 66 million years. This age of dinosaurs is divided into three distinct geological periods according to environment. Triassic period, Jurassic period, and Cretaceous period. Tonight, 9 o'clock on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, I will explain this scientifically and how it is related to our present civilization on Earth. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching.